So hello everybody, welcome back to this free digital marketing course. So in today's video we're gonna discuss about how you can make your YouTube channel from any mobile phone or any Android device or any PCs or laptops. So let's start this video. Hey everybody, I am Vishant Jain and in today's video I am going to discuss how you can make your YouTube channel from any Android device or any PCs or laptops. So let's start this video.
Devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang.
So let's start this video. So for creating a Google account, for creating a YouTube account, you need to first create your Gmail account. So for creating a Gmail account, let's go into Chrome and search for Gmail. Search for create Gmail account. So here is the link, create your Google account. So here is the name. So enter your name. So I will enter my name. You will enter your whatever your name, your first name, your last name, whatever username you want. Like I want Vishant Jain 23. So your password, confirm your password, and click on next. Please use a stronger paper to mix the letters and symbol. Okay. Click on next. So here you have to enter your phone number. It is optional. If you want, then you can enter. It's preferable to enter your phone number because whenever you have to change your password and all, then phone number will be very useful. So if you want to enter your recovery email address, so you can enter this, and here is your birth date. I am putting my birth date randomly. Uh, Select your gender and click on next. So click on these are all terms and conditions of Google. If you want to read, then you can read it. But uh, I don't read anything, so I just click on I agree. Mm, let's wait. So yeah, your new account is created. So this is my new Gmail account. It's vishanjin23@gmail.com. So this is so simple to create your Gmail account. So after you have created your Gmail account, now simple go on to Google and search for YouTube. So here is your YouTube. So now go on to this icon and sign in with that Gmail account from which you have to create your account. So I will sign in with this account which I have recently created. So I will just click on switch account. After that I will add account, click on add account. So use another account. Oh, oops. I think I forgot. So yeah, here is it. This account, Vishant23 @gmail.com. So now click on these three dots. So and now go on to settings. Where is it? Here it is. Click on it. And so now this youtube.com/account page will open. So here is the page where you can create your channel. So now this is the part, your channel, create a channel. So click on create a channel, this blue line. So you can write your name, whatever name you have to display, like technical guruji, like BBK Vines, assistant Sunani, whatever name you have to write as per your requirement, write it and just click on create channel. So as you click on create channel, your YouTube channel is in progress, and yeah, now your YouTube channel is now created. So yeah, here is my Vishant Jain, my new channel. So I have no subscriber. Yeah, obviously I will have no subscriber. So by clicking on upload video, you can upload your videos from here. So don't worry here if you don't know how to upload videos, how to do all things like that. So I will create that video in detail in my, I think, next video or after 2 3 videos. So don't worry about it. Till now I will show you how to create your YouTube channel from PC and now as well as on mobile phone also. So yeah, let's jump into my mobile screen and learn how to create your YouTube channel from Android or any phone or any smart device. So yeah, let's start.
Yeah, so for creating an YouTube channel on any mobile device or any Android device, you need to first create your Gmail account. So as we have already created a Gmail account on my PC, just sign in with that account on mobile and now click on YouTube application. So I think this is my first ever time logging with this Gmail account. They are asking my interest, so I will click on no thanks. So here on top right corner, this is one icon, click on that, and after that click on your channel. So after clicking on your channel, there is one pop-up box. So here is the box where you can write your channel name, whatever you have to, whatever preferable name you have, you write that name and then click on create channel. So as you create, your channel will be created. So yeah, we have created our channel and this is the interface of our YouTube channel. So yeah, and from this top camera icon you can upload your videos on YouTube channel. So you can select any videos from your gallery. So I will create a separate video how to upload your how to upload your videos on YouTube and how to manage all the things from mobile and also from PC. So it's just not of just uploading your videos. There are a lot of things, new features in YouTube Studio. So I will give a depth overview of what is YouTube Studio in 2020 and how you can manage all the things. So stay updated for that. Till now, just create your Gmail account and create your Google account. Oh, sorry, YouTube channel. And yeah, that's all for this. That's all for now. We will make the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay healthy. Bye.